Hey, what's up guys? Praise here. We're back again with another apartment tour. Today we are showing you a 4-bedroom rental apartment in Bugolobi. It's a pretty incredible apartment located in Uganda Avenue. I can't wait to show you guys. This property is listed for $2,500 per month. That's for a furnished apartment, and $2,000 per month if you want it unfurnished. If you would like more details about this property, be sure to contact Riverstone Africa, the listing agent. I'll leave their details in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. As you enter the apartment, you'll see the first of the 4 living spaces. This room is perfect for relaxing with your family or guests. It features sliding doors that allow you to host incredible parties or bring the outdoors in during cooler days. Opposite this living room is the kitchen and dining area. This fabulous open space will be your family hub. The kitchen has a beautiful island bench for preparing and serving food, as well as an inbuilt cooker, microwave, and oven. As you head through the kitchen to the back, you'll find a pantry around the corner to keep your kitchen clutter-free. A laundry area as well as a maid's room. The maid's room can also be used as a guest bedroom if you have extended family members living with you. Heading back down the hallway, you'll encounter a powder room, 2 minor rooms, and a master suite. The 2 minor rooms each contain spacious inbuilt closets with plenty of space, which can easily transition from toddler or infant bedrooms to bedrooms for older children. They also feature generous showers. Finally, you'll arrive at the master suite. It has a generous amount of floor space as well as a huge inbuilt closet with a luxurious shower. The master also features a private balcony where you can pop out and enjoy some alone time or relax with your partner without someone interrupting. This home is perfect for all families, including anyone who has young kids, young adults, or multiple generations living at home. Apartments in this area vary between $400 all the way up to $2,500 per month, depending on the quality and size. Transportation costs. Getting around Bugolobi is very easy. If you're comfortable with the boda, the cost is between 2,500 to 3,500 Ugandan shillings. 68 to 95 cents per trip. If you're not comfortable with a boda, you can always use an Uber. The cost is between 9,500 to 12,500 Ugandan shillings, $2 to $3 per trip. For grocery shopping, you have major supermarkets like ShopRite within Village Mall, or you could get your fresh vegetables from Bugolobi Market. Eating out in restaurants. If you're looking for fast food, Bugolobi is the perfect place for it. You've got well-known brands like KFC and other local outlets that serve fantastic burger and chips for around 20 to 30,000 Ugandan shillings, $5 to $8, depending on the exchange rate. If you're looking for street food, our local cuisine is a Rolex. Expect to pay between 1,500 to 2,000 Ugandan shillings, 40 to 50 cents. If you want something a bit different, a bit more upmarket, you can drive to the neighboring area in Kololo, where there's a variety of restaurants. Bugolobi is known for its nightlife and a variety of sports bars. It's a perfect place for bar hopping. Whether you fancy a beer or a glass of wine, you'll find a spot suited for your needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll see you soon.